In this example, we need to understand how depreciation is calculated with the help of diminishing balance method or reducing balance method. One more thing we have to understand, that is, we don't need to calculate the cost of machine here in this example, because the cost of machine is already given to us, that is rupees 100,000, and the salvage value is also given to us, which is equal to rupees 20,000, and the life of machine is equal to 5 years. The firm practices diminishing balance method while calculating depreciation at 40% rate. Remember, when we are calculating depreciation with the help of diminishing balance method or reducing balance method, and the rate is given to us, then it means we have to ignore the salvage value and the life of the machine. इसको आप इग्नोर कर दें, इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, because calculating depreciation by diminishing balance method, there is a formula which is cost multiplied by rate. So rate is given to us, which is equal to 40%, and the cost of machine again is given to us, that is rupees 100,000. On December 31st, 2013, machine was sold at rupees 35,000. So here we are selling our machine at rupees 35,000. Remember, there is no exchange of machine. So trade, the value or the cost of trade in allowance would not be given to you. We are selling our machine, we are receiving cash and selling our machine. So let's understand now how depreciation is calculated with the help of diminishing balance method. And remember, we have to calculate depreciation for the year 2010, 2011, 2012 and 2014. 4 years depreciation we have to calculate. So write here the cost of machine. First of all, we have to write the cost of machine, which is equal to 100,000. Now how depreciation is calculated? Just multiplying this cost from the rate, which is 40%. 0.4 means which is equal to 40%. So we have calculated depreciation for the first year. Now just reduce the depreciation from the cost of machine and we got the book value, which is equal to 60,000. Now how the depreciation for the year 2011 is calculated? By taking book value of the preceding year and multiplying it with the rate, that is 40%, which is given to you. So you can easily calculate the depreciation for the year 2011. Again, subtract the depreciation from the book value, we get the book value at the end of the year 2011. Now how depreciation is calculated for the year ended December 31st, 2012? Again, take the book value of the preceding year and calculate 40%, मल्टीप्लाई कर दो उसको 40% से, तो आपका depreciation आ जाएगा. And now just subtract the depreciation from the book value and we get the result, which is equal to 21,600 is our book value. Now the final year, that is year 2013, how depreciation again is calculated? हमारे पास जो प्रीसीडिंग ईयर की जो बुक वैल्यू है उसको हम ले लेते हैं, जो लास्ट ईयर की है बुक वैल्यू, उसको सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई कर दें 40% से. ये 0.40 लिखें या 0.4 लिखें, इसका मतलब 40% ही होता है, तो ये आपका डेप्रिसिएशन आ गया. नाउ फाइनली वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट द डेप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम द बुक वैल्यू एंड वी गेट द बैलेंस और द बुक वैल्यू एट द एंड ऑफ December 31st, 2013. ये जो हमारा आंसर है, it is the book value at the end of accounting period December 31st, 2013. यहाँ तक हमने मशीन को यूज कर लिया है. मैं जरा लिख रहा हूँ हर ईयर का अलग अलग डेप्रिसिएशन. आई एम राइटिंग और कॉपिंग डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर ईच एंड एवरी ईयर. दिस इज द डेप्रिसिएशन 40,000 फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर, 24,000 फॉर द सेकेंड ईयर. You can see side by side the depreciation is also accumulated. First year 40,000, second year 24,000. So by adding both the years, we also get the answer 64,000. Here I am writing the depreciation for the third year, which is equal to 14,400. Alright. and I am copying the last year depreciation, which is December 31st 2013. So up till now we have utilized 87,040 by using the machine कॉस्टिंग रुपीज 100,000. जो 1 लाख का मशीन हमने लिया था, आज की डेट तक हम 87,040 का उसको यूज कर चुके हैं. अब जरा हम चेक करते हैं हमें फायदा हुआ या इसमें नुकसान हुआ. So how to calculate gain or loss on sale of machine? Right now we don't know whether it is a gain or loss, so we are writing at the heading gain or loss. Just write the cost of machine and subtract the accumulated depreciation from the cost of machine, and we get the book value, which is equal to 12,960. And how much amount we are getting from the market by selling the machine? What is the market value of the machine, which is equal to 35,000. You can see here the market value of the machine is equal to 35,000. Here you can see. So we are getting 35,000 from the market. What does it mean? It means the market value is more than the book value. तो ये हमें gain हो गया है. We are getting gain on sale of machine or on disposal of machine. So I am making correction here. It is not a loss. Actually, it is a gain because the market value is greater than the book value. So it is gain on sale of machine or gain on sale of disposal of machine or gain on sale of machine. Now how these transactions are recorded, as we already have discussed. On January 1st 2010 we are purchasing a machine, so simply machine is debit and cash is credited. Then adjusting and closing entries have been made. This is the year December 31st 2010. ये 2010 की एडजस्टिंग और क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज है जो आपको याद करनी है. फिर ये 2011 की एडजस्टिंग और क्लोजिंग एंट्री है, आप शेडेड एरिया से भी समझ गए होंगे. Then 2012 and then 2013. So adjusting and closing entries have been made for all the years. Now how gain or loss is recorded in a general form. If we are selling a machine, what does it mean? We are getting cash. तो हमें जब मशीन को हमने बेचा तो हमारे पास कैश आ रहा है, कैश को मैंने डेबिट कर दिया. Remember, accumulated depreciation is your contra fixed asset account, or it is also closed by writing at the debit side. इससे पहले accumulated depreciation हमारे सारे जो है वो क्रेडिट में लिखे हुए हैं. अगर आप इसकी पहले वाली एंट्रीज को सबको देखें, 2010 में, 11 में, 12 में, 13 में accumulated depreciation क्रेडिट में लिखा हुआ है. अब मुझे इसको जीरो करना है बिकॉज आई एम सेलिंग अ मशीन. अब मेरे पास मशीन नहीं है तो डेप्रिसिएशन को जीरो कैसे कर सकता हूँ? सारे क्रेडिट वालों का टोटल करके उसको डेबिट में लिख दें तो आपका आंसर जो है वो ये ऑटोमेटिकली जीरो हो जाएगा. एज गेन इज ऑलवेज रिकॉर्डेड एट द क्रेडिट साइड, so you can write the gain on sale of machine. And finally you can also write the cost of machine. You can copy. Machine is we are selling our machine. मशीन हमारा एसेट है, एसेट हमारा डिक्रीज हो रहा है, उसको हमने क्रेडिट कर दिया. So hence this question, I hopefully this complete question is clear to you. Everything is clear.